Guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today I'm unboxing WizKids. Oh my god, there's in there. WizKids Game Crate. This is a box from Loot Crate that's shipped through WizKids Game Crate every month. Every other month, actually. It's a bi-monthly subscription box. They send you board games. It used to be 3. In the past couple boxes, there have been 2. So, or yeah, wasn't there 2 in the last box? So I peeked in this one, and I have to tell you, this is probably the worst one ever. Not gonna lie, I do pay for this. I do have an affiliate link though. It's $20, so you definitely get your money's worth. It's just, are you gonna play the games? So first up is, this is called Headlock Paper Scissors. This is a WWE, I guess. I don't think it's WWE. I don't think they're allowed to say that, because it doesn't say WWE, it just says WW there. See what I'm saying? So it is a, I'll read the back of the box. How about that? Who can claim the Money in the Bank briefcase? Only the most popular superstars can ascend to those lofty heights, build up momentum, use every technique in the arsenal, catapult to fame and fortune in the ring. So you have play mats, stands, and you put your little wrestlers in them. Technique category mats, technique and comeback cards, ladder and 2 struts, 2 ring boards, 6 plastic stands, and 66 tokens. So basically, you're trying to win the money, and you're gonna like jump just like they do in the WWF or whatever. So anyway, they definitely have like characters on the box. Like they have The Rock. I don't know if this is licensed. I don't think it's licensed though. It doesn't say anywhere that it is. So this is a 20-year anniversary for WizKids as well. I will link down below to my full review on my blog too, where I'll get the prices of each of the items as well. So there's that. I don't know how I feel about this. By the way, this is for 3 to 6 players, takes about 30 minutes, and for ages 12 plus. If you are interested in getting this box, I would suggest this for older kids. Like, it's not going to have a lot of games for younger kids. That's something I learned really quickly. But I have a lot of kids, so it doesn't really matter. All right, so there are only 2 games. This is the other one. This is a full-size board game. This is called Nemo Rising, Rober the Conqueror, a game by Andrew Parks and Matthew Catron. So if you look on the back, it shows you the game board. I have not opened this. I have not really. Welcome to a perfect world, my world. Nemo Rising, Rober the Conqueror is a cooperative game that follows the new adventures of Captain Nemo and the crew of Nautilus, as reintroduced by C. Courtney Joyner in his novel Nemo Rising. La, 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 la. There's a lot of tongue twisters in this one. The game allows 1 to 4 players to assume the roles of the protagonists of the series, Captain Nemo, Sarah Duncan, Adam Fulmer, or Ulysses S. Grant, as they explore new worlds, overcome dangerous obstacles, and complete challenging missions. As you and your fellow players work together, you can choose to explore one of 2 scenarios. The first scenario is the undersea grotto, where you must venture outside the Nautilus to gather supplies while avoiding killer sharks, deep-sea scavengers, and then mechanical kraken. The second scenario is the majestic city in the sky, where you must thwart Rober the Conqueror and his army of foot soldiers, war dogs, and mechanical creations. Special action cards and customized dice allow you to attempt dangerous tasks and overcome powerful enemies in order to save the world. Will Rober be defeated, or will he conquer the earth? So this is for 30, it takes about 30 to 60 minutes, ages 14 plus, and like they said, 1 to 4 players. I am a game enthusiast. I think I talked about this on my channel a lot before. I love games. I'll be totally honest, neither of these games is exciting to me. Now, I think though, after months and months of getting a box, that's expected to happen, like just maybe a fatigue from games. But also, not every game is going to be for me. You know what I mean? Like, I do still get excited to see it, but I'm also like, okay, those games, I'm not really. There's nothing about wrestling that is exciting to me at all. But I will try these out. I keep saying that I'm going to try out the games, and then I never read the instructions. And I try to, like, pawn it off on my 14-year-old, and she's like, no, Mom, I'm not doing that. So anyway, I'll try to play these. But anyway, I will link down below to WizKids if you're interested in checking them out. I'll also link to my full review so you can see the actual retail value of the box for the $20 that you get. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. As always, thank you. I will see you next time.